Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is a video that I've been waiting for like 365 days. No, but honestly, I've been waiting for this video for the entire year. Today I'm going to be decorating for Christmas. Woo! So I still have some autumn decor out, which I'm gonna go around and remove all those things, give the place a clean. Also, I did want to mention that a couple of days ago, I did already put up my Christmas tree, so I'll insert some of that footage to this video. Come and spend the day with me and see how I decorate this year for Christmas. Okay, so this is what we've got for now. At the top here I have a snowflake and a gingerbread house. And then over on this shelf I have a star that lights up. It's got a battery pack behind it and a gingerbread cookie candle. And then on the shelf below I have this gingerbread snow globe and a gingerbread candle. And then over here, as always, I have my flocked pine cones. So that's this area done for now, and now I'm going to move on to the mantelpiece. Looking, so we've just taken it out and fluffed it out, and to be honest, at first we did think that there was quite a few gaps, but I think it'd be okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think once all the ornaments are on and stuff,
yeah,
it'd be good. I think we did a good job.
Yeah, it looks good. I think it looks nice. Now it's time to decorate the tree. I picked up this new tree ornament. I forgot to put this one on. And then I also picked up a pack of these small red baubles that I'm just going to dot onto the tree. Okay, so I'm really enjoying the red. I'm so glad that I decided to add red to the tree this year and not just keep it neutral. I think the red really looks lovely.